Hi, friends. This is Janine Pettit, founder of Girl Camper, and I'm at the Florida RV Show, and I'm showing off things I think girl campers would love. This is a model by Sunset Park RV, and it is their retro model. So if you know me and follow it all, I have a fully restored 1963 Nomad that is a charm. It's a birchwood beauty inside, but let me tell you, a lot went into getting that thing restored. I could have just bought one. So let me show you inside. First of all, aluminum exterior, 3,600 pounds, 22 and a half feet long, but let's go inside where the real charm is taking place. We just stepped into a fishing cabin. So I love all of the wood in here. I'm not a huge fan of the vinyl, but I've had several of these, and you can cover this very easily or just enjoy it if this is your color scheme. But I wouldn't kick anybody out of here over the vinyl cushions. I like cloth myself, but I love the setup here. Look at all these bright windows that are here. I love this shelf right here. There's storage outside underneath this 3-burner stove here, and a big, huge sink that you could bathe a baby in or wash a lot of lettuce. So this is a very functional sink and a very big refrigerator going on right here. So I want to show you something that I really love about this model. So Risa, I'll see you later. I'm going to take a nap. Okay, I love the leave me alone door here. So if you're camping with a friend or a spouse and you get up in the morning and you want to have your cup of coffee, this could be closed and you can function in here. And not all RVs in this size are going to offer you 2 dedicated rooms, and this one doesn't. I think it's pretty cool. Let's take a look at the potty. So in between the bathroom and the kitchen here, or the bedroom and the kitchen, is a really nice size shower. It's got a big dome top. You can spin around in that shower. That is large. Nice corner safe. Storage, storage, storage. So there's a lot of storage. The fantastic fan there. And a medicine cabinet. Both of the doors close. So if the person is sleeping, you can close this. The person having coffee can use the bathroom. I like the functionality of it. So let's talk about this bedroom for a minute. Okay, and 5'4", I'm on my tippy toes right here. So there is a lot of volume here. Separate air conditioner over here because these are not spaces to flow. There's walls between them. I love this high wall back here because I'm one that reads in bed, and you can really lean up against this. Lots of deep storage here for zipper bags, for baskets, added stuff. Storage under the bed. Nice size closet going on here, so plenty of storage. I'd recommend a Betty's bed. Get this thing tucked in nice and pretty, and this is a little rolling cabin. So Sunset Park RVs, their retro model, give them a look.